Engine oil stop leak products are a common first step for extending oil system life, preventing leaks, and buying time on aging engines without a full seal replacement. They range from simple solvent-based formulations intended to swell cracked seals to sophisticated polymer.
List number 1. Bars Leaks 13345PK 1 Seal Stop Leak 11 ounce. This is Bars Leaks multi-pack solution designed to address 1 seal stop leak scenarios with a single visit application. Packaged as 5 11-ounce bottles, it offers a budget-oriented approach to a common problem, leveraging Bars Leaks' established formulation history. The kit configuration suggests a target for smaller leaks or for users who want to treat multiple engines or a multi-vehicle plan without purchasing individual bottles. Prospective buyers should note the package includes 5 units, optimizing cost per bottle and enabling stage treatments if the first application shows marginal results. In practice, the product is easy to use in standard automotive engine oil, with simple pour instructions aligned with typical maintenance intervals. However, the actual sealing effectiveness is highly dependent on the leak type, pitted seals versus gaskets versus PCV-related issues, and the engine's operating conditions. For long-term durability, the user should monitor oil level and pressure signs after the initial treatment, and consider a follow-up inspection if leaks persist. The 5-pack format provides high value for households with multiple vehicles or engines under maintenance planning, but the cost per ounce remains higher than some single-bottle options when used on.
List number 2. Blue Devil Products 00234 Rear Main Sealer 8 ounce. Blue Devil Rear Main Sealer is pitched as a permanent seal solution for rear main seals, advertised to flow into damaged areas and provide a lasting repair without requiring oil changes to reapply. This product targets a critical leak area and emphasizes compatibility with all engine types, including gasoline and diesel, with a focus on restoring rubber seals as the vehicle continues to operate. The explicit caution not to use in brakes or on painted surfaces is standard for sealants of this nature, underscoring material safety in automotive contexts. Performance-wise, the product claims a one-time application that cures as oil circulates, which can be compelling for stubborn rear main leaks that traditional stopping agents fail to address. The formulation avoids petroleum distillates, which helps prevent additional seal damage. However, as with many sealants, the real-world outcome depends on the extent of damage to rear main seal and engine design. Users should plan for thorough monitoring after application and schedule a follow-up inspection if leaks persist. The 8-ounce size makes this a focused solution for a single.
List number 3. Lubiguard 19610 Instant Shutter Fix. Lubiguard's 19610 is marketed as an instant transmission shutter fix rather than a traditional engine oil stop leak product. While included in this list as a budget option, its primary function is to reduce torque converter shutter and wear in automatic transmissions rather than sealing engine oil leaks. The product is lightweight, 2.08 ounces, and well regarded by professionals with a history dating back to 2004. It's important to note that this product addresses transmission systems, not engine seals, so its applicability to engine oil leaks is inherently limited. From a user experience perspective, the product is easy to use with clear directions, and its professional reputation adds confidence for transmission-related concerns. Its 4 times lower wear claim relative to standard ATF suggests potential performance benefits in the transmission context, but it should not be mistaken for engine oil stop leak efficacy. For consumers considering this product, the key takeaway is to avoid misapplying it to engine oil leaks and to recognize its suitability for transmission shutter issues rather than engine seal restoration.
List number 4. B2 Engine Protection Motor Oil Additive Zinc Engine Restore. Bardol's B2 additive targets high mileage and older engines, emphasizing zinc-based lubrication, anti-wear protection, and deposit/corrosion reduction. It claims to stop oil burning by enhancing lubrication and protecting seals under heavy loads or high temperatures. The 12 fluid-ounce bottle treats up to 5 quarts of motor oil, offering a concentrated solution for engines showing signs of oil consumption or burn-off. The formulation suggests compatibility with both gas and diesel engines and with various oil types, including synthetic or natural oils. In practice, B2 is positioned as a preventative and restorative additive for aging engines, aiming to reduce oil consumption and extend engine life. Users may notice smoother operation, improved compression, and reduced deposit buildup when used as part of a broader maintenance plan. However, zinc-based formulations can be more aggressive on certain engine materials and exhaust catalysts. Always follow dosage instructions and consider a diagnostic check if oil consumption persists after treatment.
List number 5. Blue Devil Hydraulic Stop Leak, 32 ounces, restores seals. This Blue Devil product is a hydraulic stop leak solution designed for hydraulic systems rather than traditional engine oil circuits. It emphasizes permanent seals and restoration of dried or cracked rubber seals across hydraulic components like pumps, cylinders, and valves. With a 32-ounce bottle, it targets larger volume hydraulic systems and is presented as a universal hydraulic stop leak solution, not engine-specific. Its packaging and claims make it a good option for those dealing with hydraulic leaks in power steering, transmissions, or other hydraulic circuits within the vehicle system. In application, users should follow the product's guidance for hydraulic systems and avoid using it in gasoline-diesel engine oil pathways. The primary value is the ability to restore flexible seals in hydraulic components under pressure, which is a different failure mode from engine oil leaks. For consumers, this product is best reserved for hydraulics rather than engine oil, but it represents Blue Devil's broader leak seal technology. If your goal is engine oil seals, this is not the ideal category. For hydraulic circuits, it offers a robust and well-reviewed solution.